76 Streets.
Alright, so here we are in something very special. By the way, this is Paul. So I've never driven a supercar before, and here I am in a McLaren MP4-12C, which brakes are very touchy. It sounds amazing, by the way.
Thanks, man. It's only the factory upgraded sport exhaust. That's it.
That's it.
So hopefully soon start doing some monster.
It actually behaves like an actual manual transmission the way it, it engages. Yeah. So why the McLaren?
Just something different, you know. I've always been a JDM guy, GTR, Supra, NSX, Evo, and there wasn't anything after those cars that I really enjoyed that I really wanted that was new, right? Mm-hmm. Fairly new to get into. So this was like the best bet, you know, twin turbo, got good power, got good looks.
Exactly how much power?
616 horsepower.
616 horsepower. So the color, man, tell me about the color.
McLaren orange.
McLaren orange.
You know,
so it's
yeah.
the official color.
Yeah, so, but everything's, you know, Max interior, the McLaren orange stick sheet, this carbon ceramic brakes, I don't know, sub colors like black and white just don't do it justice.
Doesn't do justice. Yeah, the orange just gets you right away. How fast have you got? on the track, of course.
Legal
on the racetrack. Legal speeds. On the street, legal speeds.
That's pretty fast.
Pretty fast.
Yeah, it definitely moves. You know, if you're not watching it, it'll definitely speed.
Is it the top speed like 242 miles per hour?
204, 205, something like that.
Okay. Do you want to take it for a spin?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, man. It's kind of a different feeling getting the sound coming from the back of the car instead of the front.
Right.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
Cool.
Yeah, that's sick.
That was like the one thing I liked about the NSX. Like, I like the mid-engine.
Yeah.
That was really cool.
So there's no sport mode or anything?
It's on sport mode right now. So normal, sport, and track.
Okay.
Three options.
Also, that's about 14 miles per hour that time. You can see the wing going up in the back.
Yeah.
The speed brake.
Exactly. The active air is a cool thing.
All right.
It's like spoilers on the front.
Beautiful. That smells good. By the way, big up 876 Streets, repping Jamaican imports, you know what I mean? Sickest rides. Alright people, hopefully you enjoyed that one. That was the first of a two-part series for this car. Thanks Paul for coming out and showing me the sweet car. And go ahead and follow him at Air Force GTR on Instagram and show him some love. So here's one cool thing about the McLaren MP4-12C. You gotta give it a nice little caress. It's not working. Oh, here it is. Alright, we'll do that again.
Let's do that again. Here, hold the key. Yeah.
Oh, you got it. So one thing that's really special about the McLaren MP4-12C, in order to get in, you gotta give it that magic caress.
Fingertips.
Fingertips.
On the bottom. So just slide. Underneath, there you go.
Alright.
Round three.
Round three.
Going to rig whistle a second ago.
Alright. MP4-12C. All you gotta do is wipe your hand. Boom. Not happening again. I did it again. You know what? Jeremy can go.